Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. Today, I will show you how to fix the unexpected error occurred. What you're gonna do is uninstall your Roblox and install again. But to do it correctly, so it fixes the error, what you're gonna do is press the window and R keys. Now, type app data and click OK. Now, open the local folder and now go to Roblox and delete the Roblox folder. Now, we will repeat the same process. Just press the window and R and type percent temp percent and press OK. Now, go again to Roblox and delete it again. And now, uninstall Roblox from your computer and click uninstall. Now, just install the Roblox again. And most likely, the error will be fixed. And the second solution is set the Roblox to run as administrator. Once you already install the Roblox, just right click it and run as administrator. So those were the solutions, and I hope that they fix the Roblox crash errors. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!